Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this Valentine's Day look using affordable products. So if you want to know how to create this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. I'm going to start off with my eyes today. I do have them prepped. I put on concealer and loose powder. And now I'm going to take the P. Louise base in Rumor 02. And with this flat brush from Sigma, this is the F75. It's like a concealer brush. It looks like this. And I'm going to map out the eyeshadow look. So this is going to be like a pinky ombre kind of look for Valentine's Day. And let's see how it comes out. And now I'm going to take it all the way towards the outside and flicking it out. So right now what I'm doing is just mapping it out. I have my P. Louise primer on and it is mapped out, and I'm going to take this Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to take a mixture of these two pink shades. So that's going to be in the front of the eyeshadow look right here on this side. And I'm using this Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH41. And now I'm transitioning into the darker shade. So next I'm going to take these two shades now, the bottom two, and I'm going to take them with another brush now. So I'm just going to grab this flat brush. This is just a random brush that I have. It's just a flat fluffy brush, and I'm going to take mostly the bottom shade, and I'm just going to mix it around with the other eyeshadow that I had. See how it's a little bit darker? Just lightly. And then flick it out. So this is what the eye is looking like. I'm going to do the other side off camera and I'll be right back so we can do the face together. The other side is ready. Now I'm going to start with my face. I'm using this Revlon Prime Plus Mattifying and Pore Reducing Makeup Primer. So this is the blue one here, and I'm just going to put it on the T-zone. So here. Since my face does get oily. So I have the Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Foundation, and I have the shade 2.5 and 2.0. I'm just going to mix them both. 2.0 is a little too light, and 2.5 is too dark, so I just like to mix them and get the best of both worlds. So this is it right here, and I'm just going to take my brush first. Actually, I'm just going to take my sponge better, and I'm just gonna apply it all over. Oh yes, this is the perfect color, that combo. Next I'm going to take the e.l.f. concealer. This is the Camo concealer in the shade Light Sand. And all of the products that I'm using today are affordable, so if you are following along, make sure to use these products. And these are affordable but very nice quality, so definitely check these products out, and I will list all the products down below. I'm almost running out of this concealer. It's so good. And I'm blending out the concealer with the same sponge and just the pointy side. So let's go ahead and do this. get started. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe translucent powder. This is the Bacon set. It is amazing. And I'm just going to apply it with a fluffy brush. Makeup Revolution bronzer in the shade 01 Cool. This is the Mega Bronzer. And it's huge. Look at that pan size. I'm never going to run out of this. So I'm just using this MAC brush. It's an angled brush. And I'm going to start applying it. And you see, you only need a little bit. Now for highlight, I'm taking this Doll Beauty highlighter in the shade Shine Bright. It is like a gold highlight, as you can see. And it is very affordable. You guys should check that brand out. I ordered off of Beauty Bay, I believe. And for blush, I am in love with these, but they are so small. That's the only bad thing. But these are from e.l.f. the bite-sized blushes, and I will link it down below, the color, because I can't see it right now. But I'm just going to take this shade right here. I think it's definitely a dupe to the Jouer blush that I always use, but that one's a little bit more expensive and a little bit bigger in size. That's the only difference. You see how pretty that is? Next, I'm just going to curl my lashes and add a mascara. The affordable mascara is the Morphe one. I've been loving this mascara. I think it's like $12, I believe. I might be wrong. For eyebrows, I'm going to use the micro brow pencil from Morphe in the shade Chocolate Mousse. For the lips, I'm going to use the Sugar Pie Lip Liner by Morphe, per usual. So I'm just gonna put it on lightly. I have the Doll Beauty lipstick in the shade Fomo. It's so pretty and pink. And this is the lightest shade that they have. So I had to buy it, and this is the swatch. So I'm just going to start applying it now. And look how pretty. I'm going to use these lashes from Doll Beauty, and they are falling. But these are in the style Samantha. Hey guys, so I went ahead and added the lashes, and this is the final look. What do you guys think? I am obsessed with it. And paired with this high ponytail, I'm wearing the Mia ponytail extension from Ian Hair. And I will also link it down below if you guys want to check it out. But it is very long. Your girl has hair now. What do you guys think? But yeah, this is what it's looking like, and you guys can go ahead and slay for Valentine's Day. And I'm going to dinner probably, so we're just going to go outdoors to a nice place, and that's about it. But you can rock this look and, you know, just slay away. And this is using all affordable products, so you guys can create anything with affordable products. So yeah, don't think that you have to buy anything expensive to slay, you know. You guys don't have to, but yeah, this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!